Uh, I'm always very interested by cities in general. It's one of the things I'm working on all the time. The organization of the city, the way the city is working, what makes that city so special in terms of architecture, but also people, and in fact the sort of energy that creates the meeting of the people and the form of the city. So Burgos, there is something very, very interesting with Burgos, is the fact that la primera cosa es que Burgos es en la meseta, la altitud de Burgos, la concentración urbana me gusta mucho, mucho. Es muy diferente de las otras ciudades que conozco en Francia, en Inglaterra, en Germania, en otros países. La estructura de las ciudades en la meseta, en Castilla y León, es muy particular, es muy cerrada. So, mi trabajo aquí fue mucho en la profusión y la densidad de la ciudad adentro y la limita de la ciudad, que la ciudad finí. Tú en la ciudad, tú haces 2 pasos y tú en el campo. Es una cosa muy extraordinaria. Es una cosa que me llama la atención. Trabajo con un equipment muy especial porque es un equipment de medio format numérico que es un poco exigente porque es 80 millones de píxeles. Me gusta la definición, la muy grande definición. Por mí la cosa importante es el concepto de la realidad aumentada. Cuando hace un retrato de una persona, como hay muchos retratos aquí, hay una cosa muy impúdica para fotografiar las personas de esta, at that distance, with that quality that is terrible, because you see everything. And los retratos son más grandes que en la realidad. Son cosas que tú no puedes ver cuando tú estás enfrente de una persona. Es diferente. Toda mi vida he hecho fotografía, cuando fue 11, por la comunión, un presente de una pequeña cámara, ha hecho fotografía analógica, I still do analogic photography. I love it because it's difficult. No es fácil de tener una buena cosa. Cuando yo fui pequeño, I wanted to be a photographer. Pero some of my friends were a cinematographer, and they went to a cinema school in Paris. So I decided to go to that cinema school. You know, when you are 18 or 20, you don't know exactly what you want to do. I like photography because it's a work of loneliness. I'm only me, and it permits me to be in a certain state of meditation. I like the routine of doing big things. A few years ago, I've done the inventory of 40 kilometers of riverbanks in a big city in France, in Lyon. And I was totally captivated by that work, and I wanted it not to stop, to go on all the time. And I had always the same gesture when I arrived to the point to photograph the bank on the other side, the same left hand to take the camera, the left, always the same thing. I can't stop working. I'm working all the time. Even now it's finished, I'm going on here to do things. But I'm back on filming. I've done films. I've been directing films, shortcuts and different things. Plus I've been first assistant director for a long time, on feature, on advertising, on a lot of things. And at the end, I hated it so much because of the relationship with the crew that was always difficult for me. And now I can go back to that's why I present also a few videos, that they are much more autobiographic than documentary for most of them. The work here is not the one I was thinking at the beginning. The work has been changing. And if the exhibition was going to be in 4 months, the work could have been changed again, because I believe in that work is going on all the time, and sometimes it's time to present it, so you stop. End of the story.